Jakey decided for a spontaneous encore. Didn't you, Jakey? Jakey? What's your encore? Oh, that was a good one. How about another one? One more. Come on, Jakey. One more. Oh, that was pretty lame. You can do better. Talk to me, Jakey. Talk to me, Jakey. Come on, Jakey. Talk to me. Come on, Jakey. You can do it. Come on, Jakey. Don't be shy. I know you're not shy. Jakey. Come on, Jakey. Like you can now. Last one. Come on, Jakey. Aw, Jakey, come on. Okay, I lied. One more. One more, Jakey. For the camera. Yeah? How about one more for Kendall? For your girl. Yeah? That's it? How about for your fans? Your fans are calling you, Jakey. Jakey, your fans are calling you. Come on, Jakes. Come on, old man. Come on, for your fans. They love you. No? Come on, Jakey, for your fans. All the fans, Jakey. No? Come on. You can do it, Jakey. One more. Come on. Come on, Jakey. Jakey. Oh, what's that? Come on, Jakes. Last one. Come on. For your fans. For your fans, Jakey. Jakey. For your fans. Come on, Jakester. Oh, that's it.